now moving on, basically OpenSquare network is a collaboration network and DAO for users to manage profiles with their keys, with an on-chain data system aggregated for the users, and a credit model built based on chain collaboration data again. Right? Let's learn how this DAO was built from the founder himself, Yongfeng Li, before you build your own. And it's a pleasure having you with us and very excited to hear all you have to share with our community.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Welcome, Yongfeng.
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Thank you. I'm very happy here, and I'm sorry that my English is really very bad. So forgive me if I cannot understand you or you cannot understand me. So you can type something in the chat box and ask me questions. But first, I will share my slides to introduce what is OpenSquare. I will talk about what is OpenSquare and what we do in Polkadot ecosystem. What we do is mainly about collaborations. Yeah. So what is collaboration? For a very simple example, you are a job founder and there's a job hunter. So the founder assign a job to the hunter, and the hunter finish job, submit to the hunter, and they give remarks to each other. This is a most simple collaboration, right? So in Web2 world, this is all happen in the website, and all data are stored in the central server. Yeah, in Web3, our vision is to store this kind of data into blockchain, and the personal credit can be built based on this data. So finally, we can build a collaboration network. The nodes can be a person or can be an enterprise. What's the difference? The difference is their profile can be verified by the history behaviors. Yeah. So for example, in history, you submit a job and the founder give you a five-star remark, and it will be stored on blockchain. So in the profile, for example, in your profile, you said you are very good at Java. So, and in the history collaboration, your job is done with Java. So the information in your profile can be verified by this history collaboration. Yeah, this is this collaboration network will be more trusted compared to the that one in Web2 world. For example, the LinkedIn, yeah, Facebook, like that. Yeah, this is what OpenSquare mainly do. Next is why Polkadot. Yeah, Polkadot is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum. As Dr. Givenwood said, Polkadot is a layer 0 protocol. It means many different chains can be built on top of Polkadot. Yeah. So currently, we can see Moonriver run on Kusama, Moonbeam run on Polkadot. So you can see it as a Ethereum run on Polkadot. Yeah, and there are other parachains like Akala, Karura, Fala, like etc, like others. Yeah. So they are all different kinds of business, different kinds of chains. So they are layer 1, and Polkadot and Kusama is layer 0. This is one reason. It provides many flexibility for development. Yeah, so that means you can customize your business with a layer 1 parachain. Yeah, another reason is the governance in Portal is very advanced compared to, for example, Ethereum. Yeah. The governance includes the treasury management. Currently, the treasury contains the treasury is managed by council, but it's customizable. For example, it can be customized as it can be decided by democracy like this. And another feature is forkless runtime upgrade. Yeah, you can we can see that Bitcoin once been forked. Ethereum, even Ethereum are forked. You know ETC and Ethereum, but in Polkadot is different. If you want to change the chain logic, what we need is update runtime and update it to take place the current one with the democracy. Yeah, everyone can vote to decide whether or not to take place the old runtime with the new one. So we can see this is very robust. The third reason is ecosystem projects can get money support from the Web3 Foundation grants and treasury. Maybe you know one of our products is DotTreasury.com. Yeah, you can see the treasury status in our product. You can see how many dots and kusamas in the treasury. Actually, there's much money. Yeah, you can apply some. Try to apply some. I know Portal India get some support from the treasury support. OpenSquare also get about six treasury support and 2 grant support. Feel free to apply. The person managing them is very nice. The fourth reason is OpenSquare itself. We have been focusing on Polkadot stack for our series, so we have some experience and advantage in Polkadot ecosystem. This is our roadmap. For the first step, we develop some common goods for in Polkadot ecosystem and provide some service for ecosystem projects. Yeah, these products are mainly to provide service to the projects. Our role in this ecosystem is like an agent between projects and builders. Yeah, so the first step is nearly closed. In next year, we will mainly do the step two job. It's mainly to the normal users. There are mainly 2 products. One is the paid QA product, another is bounties product. Yes, with paid QA, if you have some kind of knowledge, you can earn crypto with this knowledge by answer someone's topics or questions. The third step is user profile management. With these collaborations on chain, we will build users' profiles and we'll aggregate some user info to verify the items in user's profile. Yeah, this is our released products. Yeah. These products are, as said in this step, our products only mainly have two cancel products. First is Explorer. DotTrider, as I said, is a treasury explorer. In this product, you can view how the treasury is managed and how much money in it, and how the money is spent, where the money is come from. Yeah. Another product, Scan, is another explorer for cement and cement. It now supports fungible assets and NFTs. Yeah, another kind of product is for governance. Off-chain voting is also common goods, but it's for governance, not for explorers. Current portal ecosystem have on-chain voting. Yeah, but it will cost the users gas fees. Usually, community members are not willing to vote on it. So off-chain voting is a supplement for the on-chain governance. Users can feel free to vote on the proposals. Yeah, it's gas-free, so it's not so serious. It will be used for some polls, for example. So it's very lightweight. Yeah. Subsquare is or another product. It's like maybe you know PokerAssembly. It's more like like a PokerAssembly. Currently, we have integrated Karura, Akala, Fala, Bifrost, and others. Okay, this is our released products. Currently, they are online, so you can try them. These products are developing products. Yeah. The theme is collaboration. So paid question, bounted QA. Yeah. It's people can ask question, but this behavior will not lock their money. This protocol is more like a remark. You will, how to say, claim broadcast that you will fund, for example, one kusama for a question, and then send this message to the blockchain, and we will track it, show the question on our site, and others can answer them. Yeah, answer them, and finally they can earn the crypto, earn the one kusama. Bounties is another product we are building. So anyone can create a bounty with kusama and dot and other tokens in Polkadot ecosystem. You can imagine it as Gitcoin in Polkadot ecosystem. Yeah. So we introduce the collaboration, and I will show why we made this collaboration decentralized. And how it works. So this is the main process. First, someone starts the collaboration. For example, create a bounty or create a question, and this behavior will start on one block. And the next, someone, for example, a bounty hunter, topic, question, answer. Answered some question or submit his job. So this behavior will also stored on blockchain. So one block, second block, and then after the collaboration finished, people can give remarks to each other, and some rules can be built based on these behaviors and remarks. So their reputation may grow or reduce. Yeah. So this is collaboration and credit building or reputation building. Next, we will talk about how to do credit building. Yeah. Here we said there will be some behaviors stored on chain. Actually, each behavior may be is a good behavior or a bad behavior. Good behavior should have a positive effect on his score. So if you have many good behaviors, so your behavior score will grow. General score is nearly same with behavior score. We just normalize the behavior score to a value between 0 and 100. Feature score is interesting since different behaviors have different features, right? So we can classify behaviors into different categories and build different kinds of reputation or credit based on different behaviors. So this is feature score. Finally, we will build a collaboration network, a trusted collaboration network. So a user may be a node in this collaboration network. A product may be another node. So a product release some jobs and collaborate with one user, and their behaviors will stored on the blockchains, and the blockchain's behaviors in return verify the profile items in this collaboration network. The profile in return gives some reference to the collaboration itself. So this is how the collaboration and the credit building works. Okay, thank you. Follow.
Yeah, great. Thanks, Yang. Yeah, this was quite well explained about what OpenSquare is doing. So we have a couple of questions for you. Firstly, being, what were your challenges in your entire journey, or what was the toughest part for you as you built this?
Till now, my first challenge is how to gain the trust from products. Yeah. So my solution is do the common goods, provide service to these products. For example, we develop the DotFriday and the scan with the support from the treasury. So the official and the other products can see our work. Yeah, can know our ability, can know our orientation, job orientation. So yeah, and I think it's good. Yeah, our delivery is how to say, is not bad. Yeah, yeah. So this is the first challenge. The next challenge is that's the most big challenge, I think, is how to get the trust from normal users. How normal users can trust me, for example, to help solve the product's problem, which I got from the products. Yeah.
Correct.
So this is
okay, great. Yeah, that makes sense. The next question, Yang, is so basically DAOs rely heavily on community participation or community growth. So what exactly was your journey in the community building part of it?
Yeah, currently community building is what we are not good at. Yeah. So our community is very weak. You can or there's few members in our we have few Twitter followers. There are few members in our Telegram groups. Yes, because our main work is developing. So we currently have no enough time to attract normal users to how to say to grow our community. But but to build a DAO, I think this is not so necessary as the first step. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Great. Great. That makes sense.
I haven't finished. Yeah. Okay. So to make a DAO, we have to do is to design a very reasonable mechanism to make the whole product work. Yeah. For example, in our paid QA product, some DAO rules can be designed to decide how to promote user levels like that. The first step, I think, is I will invite some ecosystem active members to join the management DAO. Yeah, the DAO for management to, for example, promote user levels. So the promoted users can promote others. Yeah. So this can work like this. Yeah.
Thanks, Yongfeng. So this spoke a lot about the complexities one can expect while building a DAO, and we hope to stay connected with you. Do join us for the open mic discussion now with Bernie as well. It's going to be fun. And guys, if any of you have any further question for Yongfeng, do get in touch with us and we'll get them resolved by him too.